How to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. If you're wondering whether someone has blocked you on WhatsApp, this video will show you one of the most reliable ways to check. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select New Group. Now, choose the contact that you think may have blocked you and tap Next. Enter a group name and tap the check mark to create the group. If the person has blocked you, WhatsApp may display a message saying that you couldn't add the participant to the group. If the group is created without any issues and the contact is added successfully, it's a good indication that they haven't blocked you. Keep in mind that WhatsApp doesn't officially notify users when they're blocked, so this method is one of the most reliable indicators currently available. That's how you can check if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.